If you're experiencing login issues on Bluevine, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites or apps to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRIP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the forgot password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Bluevine's customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further and resolve any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues you encounter on Bluevine. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.